If you're thinking of moving to Richmond, I'm sure you've heard about Short Pump and The Fan, but what if I told you there's a location that blends the best of both worlds? Historic charm, mature trees, that quiet suburban feel, and a location that keeps you near the heart of the action.
This is Richmond's Near West End, one of the most desirable places to live in the city. The Near West End is great for someone looking for a quieter, more suburban feel while still enjoying walkability to great restaurants and coffee shops. The Near West End has some of the highest price per square foot in Richmond, but there are also some more affordable options here as well.
So first, where is the West End? The Near West End is located just west of downtown Richmond's core with easy access via 195 and 64, so you're a short walk or a 5-minute drive from downtown's vibrant scenes like Carytown and Scott's Addition, 10 minutes to our financial district, 15 minutes to Short Pump, and less than 25 minutes away from Richmond's International Airport. The Libby Grove Shopping District is within walking distance or also just a really short drive. And getting south of the river to areas like Midlothian and Bon Air is also a breeze, making this a core central spot for anyone wanting to enjoy the best of Richmond.
Kind of the thing that makes the Near West End so special is that unique blend of city and neighborhood feel. Here you can get a latte at a local coffee shop, go to a yoga class, and pick up your groceries all within a few blocks.
What I love about this little pocket of Libby Grove is no matter what time of day it is, there's always something to do here. You have Grit Coffee for a quick latte, the Bunny Hive, which has great baby and toddler, mommy and me classes, Taste if you're looking for a more casual bite for lunch or a quick snack, and tons of other restaurants for lunch and dinner. You also have some of the best shopping here in Richmond with Beercroft and Bull, Nellie George, and Pallet Home. And you can't miss J. Emerson if you're looking for a great bottle of wine.
This area also includes some of Richmond's private schools, such as St. Catherine's, St. Christopher's, and St. Bridget's. And another big draw is the proximity to the Country Club of Virginia, known as CCV for short. The club consists of 3 golf courses, multiple pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and so much more. So now that you know what makes the Near West End so great, let's talk about real estate. The Near West End is made up of a bunch of pocket neighborhoods, but on today's tour, we're going to visit Malvern Gardens, Windsor Farms, Colonial Place, West Hampton, and Monument Avenue Park. Home prices here tend to range from the mid-500s to over $9 million, and you can find everything here from condos to large estates.
Our first stop is Malvern Gardens, a beautiful historic neighborhood here in the Near West End. Most of the homes here were built in the 1920s and 1930s, so you'll see a lot of solid brick colonials, Cape Cods, and Tudors. The streets are quiet, lined with mature trees, and it's one of those neighborhoods where people still walk their dog and wave to their neighbors. This area is super convenient. You're just minutes to Carytown. One of my favorite places is Elwood Thompson's, Richmond's iconic local grocery store. If you love organic, locally sourced produce and specialty items, this is the place to shop. Or if you're looking for a bigger grocery store option, there's also a Publix right nearby, which is super convenient for weekly shopping. And within Malvern Gardens, you have great coffee nearby and a Richmond staple, Stella's. You also have great proximity to Mary Mumford Elementary School, and here on weekends, you'll find kids and parents playing on the playground. Most of the Near West End is zoned for Mary Mumford Elementary, and you can see here that niche.com gives it an A ranking.
So now we're in West Hampton, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the Near West End. West Hampton is incredibly close to the Libby and Grove area we showed you earlier, and because of its prime location, home prices here tend to be in the $800,000 and up range, and there's always high demand.
And while homes in the Near West End can be pricey, you can find some more affordable options under $1 million in the Monument Avenue Park District. Here you can get Near West End schools, location, and amenities at a slightly better value. Monument Avenue Park is slightly lesser known, but is really up and coming. Let's take a look at one of our recent listings in Monument Avenue Park that recently closed just over $1 million. Next, let's check out Colonial Place. Colonial Place is similar to Malvern Gardens, but it's known for slightly larger lot sizes, larger homes, and its proximity to Libby Grove. This is a great option for buyers looking for historic charm with a neighborhood feel like Windsor Farms, but more walkability.
Next up, we're in Windsor Farms, one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in all of Richmond. This area was designed in the 1920s to resemble an English village, and you can absolutely see that influence in the architecture. Homes here are grand, with Georgian, Tudor, and Colonial Revival styles, and they sit on large manicured lots.
A highlight highlight of Windsor Farms is Agecroft Hall, which is an English Tudor mansion that was actually brought over here from England and rebuilt in the 1920s. It's now a museum and event space with beautiful gardens. Nearby, you also have Virginia House, another stunning mansion with breathtaking river views.
This is definitely a high-end area where most homes are hitting into several $million, but it's also one of the most exclusive, historic, private neighborhoods in Richmond. And the best part? You're only a few minutes from downtown and Carytown. So new construction can be a little bit hard to come by in the near West End. And as these renovated older homes continue to hit the market and turn over, prices are continuing to creep up in these neighborhoods. Now, what I want to show you is my newest listing right here on Grove, which is new construction and which is priced really well for this neighborhood. Now let's go inside. Another thing with this house that really sets it apart are the finishes and the layout. A lot of the homes in this area are older, so you don't get that open floor plan and great entertaining space that you do in this home. And the finishes here are excellent. Back here in the heart of the home is the kitchen, and the developer really nailed it. You've got quartz countertops, a professional grade 6-burner Wolf gas range, and that great flow that really opens up to the rest of the house. Guys, this home is over 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, plus a home office, plus a loft, and also enjoys this really elegant foyer entrance, which is sometimes hard to come by in this area. Another incredibly rare feature that this home has is a primary bedroom right here on the first floor. And take a look at this shower in the ensuite bath. Talk about luxury. And up here on the second floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms and the super large loft space, which opens up to your second-story terrace overlooking your private backyard. This home has a first and second floor porch as well as a lower patio, and this area is ideal for morning coffee, grilling and entertaining, and the home comes with a fully fenced large rear yard. The thing that I think makes this house so special is you get brand new construction, but you get it set amongst older, beautiful, historic homes with mature trees and mature landscaping and excellent walkability. This home is listed for $1.25 million, which is obviously higher than the average price in Richmond, but it's a great price for this neighborhood. If you were to buy one of these older homes and renovate it to 3,100 square feet, you're easily looking at a price point above $1.25. Plus, with this home, you get all the conveniences and efficiencies of brand new construction.
So the near West End really does have something for everyone. If you're looking to buy or sell a home anywhere in Central Virginia, my team and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Just make sure you reach out using the contact details in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. By the way, we're putting out videos like this every single week about life here in Richmond. Make sure you hit subscribe to never miss a new one.